Hello, my friend. Welcome to this English lesson. 50 sentences about daily routines. I'm so happy you're here today. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new English lessons. You can also take your notebook and pen, or even a small study book, and write down the sentences we learn together. Writing helps you remember and speak more naturally. So, are you ready? Let's begin learning English, step by step, with fun and confidence. 1. I wake up at 7 o'clock. When you say, I wake up, it means your eyes open and you stop sleeping. For example, I wake up early every morning. Sometimes on weekends, I wake up late. 2. I get out of bed. After you wake up, you sit up and leave the bed. For example, I get out of bed at 7:15. It's hard to get out of bed on cold mornings. 3. I brush my teeth. You use a toothbrush to clean your teeth. I brush my teeth twice a day, morning and night. 4. I wash my face. You clean your face with water to feel fresh and awake. For example, I wash my face with cold water. 5. I take a shower. You clean your whole body under running water. I take a shower every morning before work. 6. I get dressed. You put on your clothes for the day. For example, I get dressed after I shower. 7. I comb my hair. You use a comb to make your hair neat. I comb my hair before going out. 8. I have breakfast. That means you eat your first meal of the day. For example, I have bread and eggs for breakfast. 9. I go to work or school. You leave home to start your day. I go to work by bus. My sister goes to school on foot. 10. I start work at 9 a.m. That's the time your workday begins. For example, I start work at 9 and finish at 5. 11. I check my emails. That means you look at your inbox and read messages. I check my emails every morning before meetings. 12. I attend meetings. You join meetings to talk about work. I attend 2 meetings a day. 13. I take a break. You stop working for a short rest. Let's take a break and have some coffee. 14. I have lunch. You eat your midday meal. I have lunch with my coworkers. 15. I talk to my colleagues. You chat with people you work with. I talk to my colleagues about work and life. 16. I finish work at 5 p.m. You stop working for the day. I finish work early on Fridays. 17. I go home. You return to your house after work. I go home by train. 18. I take a nap. That means a short sleep during the day. I take a nap after lunch. 19. I do the dishes. You wash the dirty plates and cups. I do the dishes after dinner. 20. I clean my room. You tidy up your space. I clean my room every weekend. 21. I take a walk. You walk outside to relax. I take a walk after dinner. 22. I watch TV. You enjoy television programs. I watch TV for an hour each night. 23. I read a book. You spend quiet time reading. I read a book before bed. 24. I spend time with my family. You enjoy being with your loved ones. I spend time with my family after work. 25. I cook dinner. You prepare food for the evening. I cook dinner for my family every night. 26. I have dinner. That means you eat your evening meal. I have dinner at 8 o'clock. 27. I wash the dishes. You clean up after dinner. My brother helps me wash the dishes. 28. I relax on the sofa. You rest and take it easy. I relax on the sofa and listen to music. 29. I check my phone. You look at messages or news. I check my phone before sleeping. 30. I go to bed. That means you lie down to sleep. I go to bed at 11 p.m. 31. I make my bed. You arrange your blanket and pillow neatly. I make my bed every morning. 32. I feed the cat. You give food to your pet. I feed the cat before leaving home. 33. I go shopping. You go out to buy things. I go shopping once a week. 34. I do exercise. You move your body to stay healthy. I do exercise in the morning. 35. I go jogging. You run slowly for fitness. I go jogging in the park every day. 36. I water the plants. You pour water on your flowers or garden. I water the plants every evening. 37. I call my friends. You talk to your friends on the phone. I call my best friend on weekends. 38. I study English. You learn and practice the language. I study English for an hour every day. 39. I check the news. You read or watch what's happening in the world. I check the news online every morning. 40. I listen to music. You enjoy songs or melodies. I listen to relaxing music at night. 41. I write in my diary. You record your thoughts or what happened today. I write in my diary before sleeping. 42. I help my mom. You assist your mother with housework. I help my mom in the kitchen. 43. I do homework. You complete school tasks. I do my homework after dinner. 44. I check my messages. You look at new text or notifications. I check my messages every hour. 45. I take the bus. You ride the bus to travel somewhere. I take the bus to school. 46. I arrive at work. You reach your workplace. I arrive at work at 9 o'clock. 47. I have a cup of coffee. You drink coffee to feel awake. I have a cup of coffee every morning. 48. I feel tired. You feel your body needs rest. I feel tired after a long day. 49. I get ready for bed. You prepare to sleep. Maybe brush your teeth and change clothes. I get ready for bed at 10:30. 50. I fall asleep. Finally, you close your eyes and start to sleep. I fall asleep quickly when I'm tired. And that's it, my friend. You've just learned 50 important English sentences about daily routines. Great job! Remember, practice makes perfect. So listen again, repeat after me, and try to use these sentences in your real life every day. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends who are learning English too. Keep learning, keep smiling, and see you in the next English lesson. Bye for now, and have a wonderful day.